Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. Steve Jobs. My mama always said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Forrest Gump. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Lauji. When we do the best we can, we never know what miracle is wrought in our life or the life of another. Helen Keller. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. Lillian Dixon. The best portion of a good man's life is his little neighbors, unencumbered acts of kindness and love. Wordsworth. Everybody wants to be famous, but nobody wants to do the work. I live by that. You grind hard so you can play hard. At the end of the day, you put all the work in, and eventually it'll pay off. It could be in a year, it could be in 30 years. Eventually, your hard work will pay off. Kevin Hart. Do all the good you can, for all the people you can, in all the ways you can, as long as you can. Hillary Clinton, inspired by John Wesley.
Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. Soren Kierkegaard.
Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Helen Keller. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Life is never easy. There is work to be done and obligations to be met, obligations to truth, to justice, and to liberty. John F. Kennedy. Life imposes things on you that you can't control, but you still have the choice of how you're going to live through this. Celine Dion. You want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Albert Einstein. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Steve Jobs.
If life were predictable, it would cease to be life, and be without flavor. Eleanor Roosevelt. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Henry Ford. Baby, is never be scared of anyone or anything. Frank Sinatra.